a ball of mass small m moving with speed v. So first ball of mass small m moving with initial speed v collide elastically with identical stationary ball. Another ball is stationary and which is identical, means its mass is same as that of mass of first ball. Collide identically with second ball which is stationary. Now after collision, the first ball moves at an angle theta. First ball, it will move at an angle theta. See here, first ball is moving at an angle theta to its initial direction. This is the initial direction of motion and has a speed v by 3. Means here v1 is equal to v by 3. Final velocity of first particle v1 is equal to v by 3. The second ball moves in a straight line after collision. The speed of second ball after collision. So speed of second ball after collision, say v2 is equal to v dash, and we want to find out value of this v dash. Now see here, as v dash is speed of second ball, v dash is speed of second ball after collision, and because here collision is elastic collision. See, the important point is what? Here collision is perfectly elastic, or collision is what? An elastic collision. And whenever collision is elastic, it means kinetic energy is conserved. Kinetic energy of that system is conserved. Means total kinetic energy of system before collision equal to kinetic energy of system after collision. So kinetic energy before collision is equal to kinetic energy before collision is equal to kinetic energy of system after collision. Now what is kinetic energy of system before collision? Here it is half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square. This is kinetic energy before collision, and that is equal to kinetic energy after collision half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square, half m2 v2 square. So that is equal to half of, now mass is same m1, and what is the velocity? Half mv square plus half m2 into first, that second body is initially at rest, so m2 into 0 square is equal to half of mass is m. Now what is the velocity of first body after collision? It is v by 3 whole square plus half of m into velocity of second body after collision. We had taken it as v dash, so it is half m v dash square. So we had small m is present everywhere, so that m get cancelled, 1 by 2 is present in every term, so it get cancelled, and we had v square. Here it is 0, second term becomes 0. So v square is equal to v by 3 whole square plus of v dash square plus of v dash square. Therefore v square minus of v square, here v by 3 whole square means v square by 9. So minus of v square by 9 is equal to v dash square is equal to what? V dash square. Therefore v dash square is equal to see here v square is taken common, so 1 minus of 1 by 9, so that is equal to 8 by 9 v square, 8 by 9 v square, or v dash is equal to square root of 8 divided by, what is square root of 9? 3 v, but square root of 8 means here we can write 2 root 2, because 4 into 2, that is 4 outside the square root, it becomes 2. So 2 root 2 divided by 3, 2 root 2 divided by 3 times that v. So out of 4 option, look at option number C, 2 root 2 divided by 3 times v. So option C is the correct option for this question.